Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand combinational logic. If we consider any logic circuit, the logic circuit may be classified into two types. First one is combinational logic circuit and second one is sequential logic circuits. The combinational logic circuits consist of only logic gates, but it does not contain any storage element. A sequential logic circuit consists of memory element along with logic gates. When the logic gates are connected together to give some specific output for certain inputs without any storage element, it is known as combinational logic circuit. In combinational logic circuit, the output will depends on the combination of input levels. So a combinational circuit along with a memory element is known as a sequential logic circuit. So a sequential circuit consists of a combinational circuit to which the memory element is connected to form a feedback. These memory elements are capable of storing binary information. With this block diagram, we can say that output of sequential circuit depends on the input variables and also it will depend on the present state of memory element. There are many applications of logic circuits. We can use these in calculators and computers, digital measuring techniques, digital processing of communications, musical instruments, gaming and domestic applications, and so on. These logical circuits can also be used for decision making in automatic control of machines, various industrial process, and it can also be used for building more complex devices such as binary counters, etc. This is about the classification of logic circuits. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.